Have you ever wondered about the health benefits of beef tallow? Well, prepare to be enlightened. Beef tallow, a type of fat rendered from beef, has a rich and varied history. It was a culinary staple, commonly used for frying, long before vegetable oils claimed their spot in our kitchens. But beef tallow is not just any fat, it's a product of grass-fed cattle, and is often lauded for its health properties. You see, it's loaded with oleic acid and conjugated linoleic acid, commonly known as CLA. These aren't just complex scientific terms, these are beneficial fatty acids that are often linked to a slew of health benefits. And if you're wondering what this beefy goodness looks like, well, it's solid at room temperature but smoothly melts away when heated. It's an unassuming product, often overlooked, yet packed with potential. Intriguing, isn't it? Now, let's dive into the numerous health benefits of this often overlooked product. First, let's explore the nutrient content of beef tallow. Now, it's important to note that the nutrient profile of tallow can vary. However, it is generally rich in three types of fats: saturated, monounsaturated, and polyunsaturated fats. Each of these fats plays a unique and crucial role in our body. Saturated fats, for instance, are known to support cellular health, while monounsaturated fats can assist with heart health, and polyunsaturated fats are essential for brain function. But the nutritional goodness of beef tallow doesn't stop there. If the tallow is sourced from grass-fed cattle, it's even more nutritionally dense. This version of beef tallow is higher in omega-3 fatty acids and conjugated linoleic acid, or CLA for short. Omega-3s are vital for heart and brain health, while CLA has been linked to potential weight loss benefits. So as you can see, beef tallow is packed with beneficial fats that our body needs to function optimally. Now that we know what nutrients are in beef tallow, let's talk about its health benefits. First off, beef tallow is packed with heart-healthy fats. It contains oleic acid, a monounsaturated fat that has been linked to reduced risk of heart disease. But that's not all. It also boasts conjugated linoleic acid, or CLA, which is a polyunsaturated fat known to have heart-healthy benefits. These fats work together to keep your ticker ticking in fine form. Next up, let's talk about weight loss. Yes, you heard right. Consuming beef tallow can potentially aid in weight loss. You might be wondering how a fat can help you lose fat. Well, the CLA in beef tallow has been shown in studies to help reduce body fat. It's a fascinating paradox, isn't it? But the benefits of beef tallow don't stop at the heart and waistline, it's also a boon for cognitive health. The brain is primarily made up of fat, and it needs high-quality fats to function properly. The fatty acids in beef tallow provide the essential nutrients your brain needs to stay sharp and focused. Another notable benefit of beef tallow is its ability to aid in the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins. Vitamins A, D, E, and K are all fat-soluble, meaning they require fat to be absorbed and utilized by the body. Consuming beef tallow ensures that you're getting the most out of these crucial vitamins. And let's not forget about cooking. Beef tallow has a high smoke point, which makes it ideal for high-temperature cooking methods like frying and sautéing. Unlike some other cooking oils, it doesn't break down and produce harmful compounds when heated to high temperatures. From supporting your heart to boosting your brain function, beef tallow is truly a superfood. But the benefits of beef tallow don't stop at nutrition. This versatile product also holds a prominent place in the world of skincare. Due to its unique composition, tallow can be used to moisturize and protect the skin. It's solid at room temperature, but when applied to our body heat, it melts, providing a protective, nourishing layer. This is why it's often found in high-quality soaps, lotions, and balms. And here's something to remember: just as you choose grass-fed beef for its superior nutritional profile, it's also recommended to opt for organic tallow from grass-fed cows when using it for skincare. This ensures that you're getting a product free of harmful chemicals and packed full of beneficial nutrients. In conclusion, beef tallow is a versatile and nutritious product that can enhance your diet and even your skincare routine. So, why not give it a try?